What's up guys, Ackeem Sterling here. Now in this video I'm going to take a look at this inflatable water float right here. See? So we have these cards inside. We have a user manual. So as you guys can see, this is the size of it right here. And I like the fact that it comes with a mesh inside right here for the water. On this side we have an angle. But to this side we have an angle as well. Also we have a cup holder right here. Alright guys, so this is the inflator tube right here. As you guys can see, it will pump up, looking really neat. The thing I love about this right here, we have this angle that we can hold on to, or the backrest right here. And we have a card. If you want to tie something to it, you can draw it.